Hello everyone, my name is Rupinder Kaur and I am from NGE Global. So today I am going to discuss two types of essays, how to introduce it, how to start BP 1, 2 and how to conclude the topic to score 7+ bands in IELTS writing. For example, there is a topic that technological or technical advancement is responsible for unemployment. Discuss both advantages and disadvantages. एक तो थोड़ी A essay type है. Second is technical advancement is responsible for unemployment. Do you think that advantages outweigh the disadvantages? So ये दो तरह के टॉपिक ने, ये दोनों तरह के टॉपिक ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 50-50 ਲਿਖਣਾ ਹੈ, ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 30-70 ਦੀ ਰੇਸ਼ੋ ਚ ਲਿਖਣਾ ਹੈ. So how to introduce it? So let's study in brief. So let's discuss first type in which you have to discuss advantages and disadvantages only. How to introduce that topic? The first line is, it is irrefutable that technology is making inroads in all walks of life. However, it has certain disadvantages too. So this essay would explicate or explain both pros and cons in the subsequent paragraph. This is the way how to introduce your topic. So before starting body paragraph 1, you have to start with the advantages, मतलब pros. ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਲਿਖੋਗੇ? To commence with bright side. Bright side, why bright side? That examiner come to know that you are going to talk about advantages, ठीक है? To commence with bright side. ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ advantages ਲਿਖ ਦੇਣੇ ਨੇ related to the topic. Then ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇੱਕ ਆਪਾਂ example ਦੇਣੀ ਹੈ to cite an example ਕਰਕੇ example ਦੋ ਆਪਣੇ point ਨੂੰ clarify ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ. Then you can also add a survey. Survey ਕਿਹਦਾ ਐਡ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ? ਬਹੁਤ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਲਿਖਦੇ ਨੇ according to a survey conducted by WHO and any other organizing body. Then you can give the survey like according to a recent survey published by United States Bureau of America. ਇਹ ਜੋ ਸਰਵੇ ਹੈ, ਇਹ ਸਰਵੇ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਜੋ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ, ਇਹਨੇ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ, ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਇਸ਼ੂ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਸਰਵੇ ਕੰਡਕਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ. ਸੋ ਇਨਸਟੈਡ ਆਫ ਮੈਮੋਰਾਈਜ਼ਿੰਗ ਮੈਨੀ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜੇਸ਼ਨਸ, ਇਟਸ ਬੈਟਰ to give only one body. Before starting BP2, मतलब ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ disadvantage ਲਿਖਣ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, you can write on the flip side. Flip side मतलब on the down side. ਇਹ ਪੈਰਾਗ੍ਰਾਫ ਤੋਂ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੁਣ disadvantage ਦੇਣ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ. On the flip side, there are certain drawbacks too. So ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ disadvantages ਲਿਖਣੇ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰ ਦੇਣੇ ਨੇ. ਕਹਿਣ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ 50-50 ਰੇਸ਼ੋ ਹੋਗੀ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਐਸੇ ਟਾਈਪ ਕੀ ਹੈ, both merits and demerits ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰਨੀਆਂ ਨੇ. ਸੋ ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ conclusion ਦੇਣਾ ਹੈ. So to conclude, don't write to wrap it all and by taking the length and breadth of the topic. No, just make it simple. To conclude likho ya in conclusion likho. To conclude, it can be reiterated that technology is like a double-edged weapon that cuts for you and cuts against you. So therefore, technical gadgets or appliances should be used for the welfare of the society. Matlab in this way you can simply conclude your topic. Now let's discuss second type of this essay in which you are asked, do you think that advantages outweigh disadvantages? So how to introduce this kind of essay? It is irrefutable that technology is advancing by leaps and bounds. I believe its advantages overlap disadvantages that are going to be explicated or explained in the subsequent paragraphs with some relevant examples to support my viewpoint. In introduction, you have cleared your point that advantages overlap disadvantages. मतलब ये उधे तो ज़्यादा होंगी. So how to start BP1? In BP1, I recommend you to start with disadvantages. To begin with demerits or drawbacks. To begin with drawbacks, the first issue is that तुसी अपना first issue या first drawback ऐथे दे देना है, ठीक है? Start with BP2. That will recommend you about the advantages. On the brighter side means from here you are going to talk about benefits of that part. From on the brighter side, ਇੱਥੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਲਿਖ ਦੇਣੇ ਨੇ points advantages ਦੇ and with some example to cite an example. ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ example ਦੇਣੀ ਹੈ to support your answer. And then third BP, it will also be based on advantages because the essay type is advantage outweigh disadvantage. 30 and 70 ਦੀ ਰੇਸ਼ੋ ਰਹੇਗੀ ਇਹਦੀ. 30% ਤੁਸੀਂ drawbacks ਦੇਤੀਆਂ. BP2 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਦਿੱਤਾ? advantages. BP3 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ again another benefit of being tech savvy. Technical ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ technical knowledge ਹੈ another advantage of or benefit of being tech savvy is that ਅੱਗੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ explain ਕਰੋ then according to a recent survey again I am telling you that survey ਜੋ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਾਣਾ ਹੈ according to a recent survey conducted by United States Census Bureau states that ਇਹ ਜੋ ਹੈ body ਇਹਨੇ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ issue ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ survey conduct ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਸੋ ਇਹਦਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ survey ਪਾ ਦਿਓ now see ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਪੈਰਾਗ੍ਰਾਫ ਦੇਤਾ disadvantage ਦਾ ਦੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਤੇ advantages ਦੇ right so ਇਹ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ automatically ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ advantages ਨੇ ਉਹ outweigh ਕਰ ਗਏ ਨਾ disadvantage ਦੇ ਨਾਲ to conclude or in conclusion ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੋਮਾ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਪਾਣਾ it can be reiterated that advantages supersede or outweigh disadvantages ਅਗਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ outweigh so don't repeat the vocabulary same vocabulary here ki outweigh you can write supersede ki zyada nahi theek hai supersede advantages supersede disadvantages therefore technology should be used for the welfare of human being that will assist them in positive way so this is the way to write an essay that comes with advantages outweigh disadvantages for more information you can contact on given numbers and you can visit for the classes thank you so much